I'm in Delhi only for 48 hours for my friend's wedding. Today is the Sangeet and they have a really nice sundowner kind of a thing going into the evening Sufi night, and I'm really excited about that. I have a lot to do because I am on 1 hour of sleep. I wish I could sleep. Less than 3 hours actually to get ready, and I mean, if you don't know already, I do need all the time in the world to get ready, and I just cannot be rushed at all. I have to pick my jewelry. I do have a couple of options. I just want to see what looks good. So yeah, this is just a chaotic vlog of just doing all of it. I can't believe how puffy my face is. Should I sleep? Should I sleep? Should I sleep? I need to get to work. It's a really cute room, but the best part about this room is all the natural sunlight that it has. Jewelry is laid out. I'm gonna do stick-on nails because my nails literally look like this right now. Can I ask the Dulha Dulhan to take my pictures because the rest of the people are just very annoying, and I don't know if they'll click my pictures and being patient with me. So I'm gonna do everything that I can on my own and then take it from there. I did sleep and I'm happy I did, even though it was just for like 30 minutes. I have to now go help the groom do some touch up. He needs to pick an outfit. I will do some nice glow on him, which is not makeup, just skincare, which makes him glow all evening. And yeah, and then I will come and fix this face. I already did my hair, but it doesn't look like much, but trust me, when it all comes together, it will be worth it. I love the light here. It's like the greenery, the view. I can safely say that I can safely say that I know what winter sun feels like because this is that. I am almost done with my makeup, but I'm like really late. I need to do my eyebrows in red. I don't know if I like the lenses on this. Here I decided that I'll make like volume, like a lot of voluminous curls. This lighting is cute. Must be distracting, but it's beautiful, so I'm gonna keep it. I think we're getting there. Let me wear the outfit. I just got done shooting a full get ready with me. So अगर देखना है details तो जाओ Instagram पे देख लो. But this is the sari. I will show you the whole thing in the next clip. See, now I feel like the lenses work. Blush blindness है थोड़ा. I guess you just have to deal with it. Nails. Let me put one green and show you. I just really went overboard with nails. Cut to the wedding morning, and this is what I was wearing. Wow! Cheers! गरम है बहुत. I had the best sleep. Like I literally slept for 3 hours And I was so tired. Last night was insane. Came back late after the Sangeet. Woke up really early for the Anand Karaj, and I just shut my phone. I just wanted to relax, and now I'm up and I'm ready for the next event. And apparently, I'm the only one who's ready. So okay, so the outfit जो मैं आज डिनर पे पहनी हूँ, it's like a black suit. इसकी चुन्नी थोड़ी heavy है, so if I feel like ज़्यादा हो रहा है, so I'll just wear the suit as is. But I have these really nice jhumkis. I got them from Bandra, and jutis are lovely. So the whole look is gonna look. Lighting is not flattering, but let's just manage with what we. Now they did say that it's a chill dinner, but I don't know what chill dinner translates to at Delhi weddings. This glow that you see on my skin, it is literally the Pat McGrath setting spray, and it does not give, like, at least for me, it does not give that oily effect, but just gives like this really nice fresh sheen, which is so pretty. Let me show you my jutis. I'm gonna wear the whole outfit and then come back and show you. This is the bag. It's really cute. I'm going to see what the vibe is and then decide if I want to keep the chunni or not. But with chunni, it looks very pretty, very dressy. The bag adds to it. Without chunni, I will have to see. I should not forget to take out that tag. But yeah. Really chaotic 48 hours in Delhi, and I don't even remember or understand or can process how I made it to the airport, because we're just like boarding is going to start and I literally packed in less than 10 minutes and I made it, and the after party was really good. Everybody was wearing western clothes and I was wearing a suit but I think all in all it was a great wedding, and it was very hectic, but I had the best time, and we got to see two of our closest friends get married. So, yeah. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog because I'm very new to vlogging and understanding how all of this works, but I had a blast, and I know that I did miss a lot of great moments, but I'm new at this and I'm going to try and work on it, and I'm going to try and get better. So stick around and I'll see you in my next vlog.